Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade dill pickles crunchy. To start, select fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches long. These smaller cucumbers have fewer seeds and a denser texture, which is crucial for a crisp bite. Also, consider adding a grape leaf or oak leaf to each jar. Their tannins help keep pickles firm and prevent softening during the fermentation process. For a truly crunchy pickle, your brine is key. Use a ratio of about 1.5 tablespoons of pickling salt per cup of water. This concentration is vital for proper fermentation and texture. Before jarring, soak your cucumbers in an ice bath for at least 2 hours. This firms them up significantly. Then, pack your jars tightly with cucumbers, fresh dill, garlic, cloves, and your preferred pickling spices. Proper fermentation is crucial for developing flavor and maintaining crunch. Keep your jars at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 7 days. During this time, ensure all cucumbers remain fully submerged under the brine to prevent spoilage and maintain their crisp texture. Once fermented to your liking, transfer the jars to the refrigerator for long-term storage, where they will continue to develop flavor. If your pickles aren't as crunchy as you'd like, don't worry. You can try adding a pinch of calcium chloride, also known as pickle crisp, to your jars. This food-grade additive significantly enhances firmness. Also, if your tap water is heavily chlorinated, consider using distilled water for your brine, as chlorine can interfere with fermentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with your ratios and ingredients. And hey, while you're perfecting your pickles, why not treat your car? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.